hundreds of people were forced to flee a convention after a burlesque dancer, Go-Go Amy, her flaming nipple tassels triggered the fire alarm. Amy's act, which also saw her swallowing flames, was cut short, and punters at the Dundee Tattoo Convention headed for the exits. A large crowd had gathered to watch the exotic dancer, part of the Pretty Things Peep Show act at the city's Abertay University on Saturday before the smoke alarm went off. So, you know, you flame up one nipple and everybody heads for the door.
So a couple of things threw me for a loop in this story. First of all, I was like, why are the punters at a tattoo convention?
Yeah.
Like, and then I realized, oh, it's a story out of England. Okay.
The punters.
Yeah, I was like, I'm like, what the fuck? Why are they, like, what are the punters and the tattoo guys doing together? It made no sense. And I'm like, there's a punter convention? Like,
is that weird?
Well, like, yeah, because there's like 31 of them or 32 of them, right? Like, well, how much of a convention do you need? Anyway, no, this story amused me because, and I want to talk about it in a serious way for a second. Very serious.
Okay.
Do people get turned on by this? Because she's a go-go dancer, right? And her tits are on fire.
Right.
Right? And to me, I would be concerned more than anything else. I'm like, why do they do this
You got to stand out, Jack. You got to make your own name, you know?
Yeah.
I mean, everybody goes up there with a pair of tits. How are you going to make yours special?
Yeah,
You got to set them on fire. You never said, come on. Yeah, I mean, when I was in Boy Scouts, I set my balls on fire several times.
You got a patch for that, didn't you?
You got to stand out in Weeblos.
Right, absolutely.
Yeah.
On my tent. But anyway.
But that's the thing. I think a lot of people are attracted to danger, and it's a fetish. It's a niche
You think
thing.
so?
Yeah.
You think maybe the tattoo guys though?
First of all, this might be burlesque, because I've performed actually in Los Angeles. I perform on burlesque shows sometimes.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, and they're fun. And so I don't think, see, this isn't like a strip club. This is like, and the difference between, ask me, Jake, what's the difference between a stripper and a burlesque performer?
Yo, Jimmy, I gotta find out. What's the difference between a stripper and a burlesque performer?
About 20 pounds.
I was going to say the same thing. It's true.
She said,
oh, really?
Yes.
Is that allowed? Can you say that?
Well, I know a lot of burlesque dancers and a lot of exotic dancers, and there is a real bell curve.
Oh wow! Look at this.
And God bless them. And
So
I should talk, right? But they're generally curvier and they're theatrical and they're voluptuous.
What is
and
so burlesque? We're not supposed to get hard. Is that like?
It's supposed to be more of an art form.
Yeah.
I think that's what the distinction is.
And there's a little bit of comedy and obviously a little bit of flair, but her flair sent people running to the exit.
Yeah, and just the other thing, I don't know why I got obsessed by this story, but the other thing I'd like to say is stop doing the fire within the building.
Right.
Stop it. It's a bad idea. Right. Remember when the rock band did it?
Yes, White Tiger, whatever
White
Snake.
And Hidden Dragon, and they lit the place on fire and all those people died and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
So it's so stupid. And
it's just not worth the risk. Like whatever amusement that brings, it's not worth a single life loss.
I won't even order Saganaki in Greek restaurants anymore. I don't like that flame shit.
I love Saganaki.
Yeah, I know. Well, you know what happened? I got hungry. Yeah. So what you guys are telling me is that there's burlesque and is like a combination of strip club and opera. Like, because you're doing a show, it's not necessarily about sex.
Right.
The women are a little
It's
heavier.
about how she can be sexually sexual.
Teasy.
Yeah, she can be
Less
more about
overt.
teasy. So it's like Playboy magazine and stripping's like Hustler.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah. Burlesque is sexually suggestive.
Nobody's getting pissed on in burlesque.
Okay.
They're just setting themselves on fire.
Well, that I'm in favor of.
Okay.
You know, last thing here. Here's the strip club I want to go to, okay? I'm not interested in the burlesque. I don't care about the fire. If I want to hear jokes, I'll go to a Jimmy Dore show. Like, I don't need to hear the jokes while I'm looking at your naked body that's on fire, whatever, right? Strip clubs, like, it's with the pole and the giant shoes and the spreading out. And I'm like, all right, it's embarrassing, okay? It's like too much. Here's a strip club that would work, okay? A girl comes on stage dressed like a normal human being, like she just went to the office.
Right.
And then she takes off her clothes. That would be so fucking hot.
You know what's funny?
Do you see what I'm saying?
I see what you're saying.
So here's a newsflash for you, gentlemen. I've had the privilege of going to quite a few bachelorette parties, and I'm sure you've been to one too, Gina. That's actually how the male strip reviews are. These men, whether it's Chippendales or there's a male review here in LA, they are much more classy in that way. These guys are firemen or they're police, and they're in full uniform.
I like it. That's like a real
One's an Indian, one's
It's it's totally the Village People, but they're full guard. I mean, doctors.
Yeah.
I'm serious,
That-
and,
no,
and,
you're right.
and it's much more theatrical in that
Right.
way.
So
Well,
you're saying that I'm like a chick.
I'm saying come to a male review,
Right, okay.
and you'll get exactly
No,
what you're
but it's
asking
true
for.
because my porn. Remember, we've had this
Yeah.
discussion.
Yes.
My porn, I like stories. I'm like,
Yeah.
I don't want to be like up in your,
straight, yeah.
private parts immediately within 30 seconds.
want a
I'm like,
build-up.
I
You want a
want to know how
build-up,
I got
too.
in there.
I
wanna
want to see if
build up.
maybe a TV gets fixed.
Yeah,
or
right.
pizza gets delivered.
And you
It's
know that
fine.
there is a whole web series of porno that doesn't have any of the pornography in it. Have you heard
Yeah,
about
but
this?
that's.
It's
But then
hysterical.
we're back to burlesque. I'm
really
somewhere in
funny,
the
though.
middle.
Called General Hospital.
Yeah. Like I'd like a porn where you have the story and I at
Right.
least know you're banging your neighbor's wife. Okay,
Right.
that's fun. That's interesting, right?
Yeah.
And then you get to the sex.
So no gonzo porn for you.
No, I'm
right.
not interested in the close-up.
Even and the Cinemax porn, I don't understand.
Skinemax.
I don't. It's like, hey, would you like to look at the back of a guy's ass while he has sex? No, I don't want to see that.
Unless it's Matt Damon's,
but
apparently.
would you
Unless
like-
it's
Jude
Jude
Law
Law.
and
If
his
it's Jude
mom.
Law, we'll
But
take
would
a
you
look.
like to go to a woman's prison?
Yes.
There you go.
Yes, with a
Oh.
fistful of pardons.
Wow.